Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about enrolling Linux devices to Microsoft Intune. Let's talk about the limitations first. Now, these are the only operating systems supported by Microsoft Intune as of recording this video. Ubuntu Desktop versions, you've got Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 and 9. The devices must be configured with the graphical user interface or the norm. So make sure that your Linux device has got the graphical user interface. Linux devices enrolled with Microsoft Intune are considered corporate-owned devices. So there's no distinction between BYOD or corporate devices. As long as you go ahead and enroll your Linux device using Microsoft Intune app, it is considered a corporate-owned device. Once they're enrolled, they will receive the policies that you create in Intune. Users can use Microsoft Edge browser to access your organization's Microsoft 365 resources. Now let's take a look at the prerequisites. As the Intune administrator, if you've already set up your Intune environment for Windows devices, you don't have to do anything special. Just make sure that the end users have the proper licensing. As the end user, when you're enrolling your Linux device to Microsoft Intune, you need to download and install Microsoft Edge. You need to install Microsoft Intune app for Ubuntu Desktop. And finally, you need to sign into Intune app with your work or school account and follow any prompts. Let's head over to our test environment and see everything in action. This is my Ubuntu test device. It is running Ubuntu Desktop 24.04. We will use this device as our test device. So the first thing that we need to do is go ahead and download and install Microsoft Edge web browser for Linux. So what I'm going to do is open our Firefox web browser and go to this URL that you're seeing on the screen. Every link or URL that is used in this tutorial will be in the YouTube description box below, so you guys can get it from there. Once you're on this URL, scroll down and click on the Linux version. And we're going to download linux.deb or Debian. So I'm going to click download button. Click accept and download. The download is in progress. Once the file has been downloaded successfully, double click on it to open it. And click install to install Microsoft Edge. And click install again. At this point, you will be prompted to enter your password. I'm going to enter my password in here. The installation is in progress now. This may take a few minutes. The installation has been completed now, so let's go to our apps and see if we can find Microsoft Edge. As you can see, the Microsoft Edge browser has been installed successfully. Next, let's see how to install Microsoft Intune application for Linux. In order to install Microsoft Intune app for Ubuntu Desktop, we need to run a few commands. Let's go ahead and open our terminal. I'm going to expand this so it is clear for you. Now these commands are included in the Microsoft documentation. I will put the link in the YouTube description for you. First of all, I'm going to run the first command. Hit enter. You will be prompted to enter your password. So I'm going to enter my password in here. Type Y to say that you are happy to proceed. Hit enter. Let's run the second command. Hit enter. Let's run the third command. Hit enter. Let's run the final command to install Intune app. Type Y and hit enter to proceed. Now this may take a couple of minutes. Let's go to our apps and see if Intune app is installed now. As you can see, Microsoft Intune app has been installed successfully. Let's go back to the terminal. and we need to restart our Linux device at this point. So I'm going to type sudo space reboot to reboot my device. We have come to the final stage of our enrollment process. Let's open up our apps, and I'm going to open up Microsoft Intune app now. We need to sign in using our work or school account, so I'm going to click sign in. In here, I'm going to enter my account's email address. I'm going to enter the password for my account. Click sign in. At this point, if you have multi-factor authentication enabled on your account, you will be prompted to complete the MFA request. Click register to register your device. Click begin to set up access. Click begin. Your device has been registered successfully now. Let's go to the Intune admin portal and see if we can see this test device enrolled into Intune. I have now logged into Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Let's go to Devices and click on Linux. As you can see, we have successfully enrolled our Linux device into Microsoft Intune. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. If you've got any questions, you can put them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and have a good day.